Holy Batman. Zoe Kravitz looked stunning as she graced the red carpet in a black cutout halter dress for the Batman London premiere. Zoe Kravitz, 33, definitely channeled her role as Catwoman in the Batman with the sexy look she rocked for its London premiere. The actress rocked a sleek black halter dress that was business on the bottom, party on the top. While the bottom of her dress had a straight, A-line hem, the top had wavy straps and a wavy collar that gave it a fun and bubbly vibe. Her dress also had cutouts around her cleavage, teasing an extremely tantalizing look. As expected, the Batman co-star Robert Pattinson was also present for the red carpet premiere. He rocked a unique look for the London premiere with an extra long grey suit jacket and matching pants. The two beamed up at each other as they posed for the picture. If their chemistry is this strong for the Batman, it'll definitely make for a good watch. The two aren't romantically involved in real life, though. Zoe was recently romantically linked to Hollywood hunk Channing Tatum. Rumors of their romance first started in August 2021 when they were spotted going on a bike ride together. Soon after the 21 Jump Street star had followed her fan accounts, they were spotted going on a lunch date and even leaving the Met Gala together. Related gallery. Zoe Kravitz, see pics of the actress/singer. They officially confirmed their relationship just ahead of Halloween when they posted pictures of them dressed in a couple's costume as characters from Taxi Driver on their Instagram story. Even though the Big Little Lies actress has been fairly private about her relationship, she recently disclosed that she's happy in an interview with Elle. She also opened up about what drew her to him when casting for her movie Pussy Island. Looking at his work and hearing him speak about Magic Mike and the live show, I'm like, I think he's a feminist, Zoe revealed. You need to be so far from who this is, where it's not scary. And I don't think we've ever seen him play someone dark. I'm excited to see him do that.